recently ya simbi esi be ma bi ajare pa ajare akota hospital ma chese o ma ya the end of the day this year make say krampo no nipa na make na sem we free may his soul rest in perfect peace and sing oba on any dre and I omunya kasa kakra concerning girlfriend as usual wa wani tua mema ni bi mo mo ntimi ne mo partners entina no da bia me ka say de obi a bia obetwa aya na me kan na ebi mo feel say me boa but it's real oba no bi na sam on me kan ho asem e na me kan de kire wi oba ne be ma ne neti na yire e na be ma na kofa girlfriend e na oba ne be ka che ne say still I want you to see that so e na say dey me ni go say we are sure so me ni obi I didn't na o ka sa me ni obi no so you so so ni obi ma na say wonim na ne koda e ni say e ni ebeto okane wa na be man si o na den bibia bo ntimi ntumi man ye because me kwan bo ni hopi and check e na okoye no the girl ko die e na o jare ye na we na fe di o madane na me na mo de na chinya sofo bebre so na edisfo bebre so e na sofo ba ko be hye nkoma kase is from the woman. So they were like, hey, it's your baby, na de aso me sia fa baby and ona de wo kuna fa baby na wo kuri aso kai ho na ye na ye hwehwe mu fisi e na e ko ya it was like they were all blaming the lady. But Obama so tena se dwen you know kai say. Ntokwa bi esi won temu. Nsem bi say e na okai. Na sa nsem nene ado no. Na nsem no so bo kai da nene ado. Ndofo man lewu. E na tsaka lady no. Ene kwara na nsem. Ndofo buti me. Senka embenifo ka say efutu nsakra pa. Nti se nsɔhwɛ. Se dia making obefa. Emfasa me ka kire ne say. Bomodi say free neko. Ubetwini adwen papa wate ubi wa no kasem akire wuku a kasem papa wufu se den kura kasem pa enti sai nkasa se ubi wa no kasem akire wo ba wufu se den kura medofo men kasa ubekasa nso de kasem pa empo se wo dane no eye ne positive o ka dane asem no kura mpo na wo kan pa eye se se de me bai o ha me a me se wo de wa so nya den kura no nyame se so shall it be nti makase na so nya de no truly na so energy. Say ultimately and me when you know what adapt that character of speaking positive always. As someone a friend me who die me nyimpo jaika me me say okay be me make e na me ke but I've come to realize say nya de papa obi wa no ka say me mpo dia fe dia ma bre me who die me nyimpo o ka sa asam na ampa so hu die wo nya da e wo abro it's beautiful. Yen tries in the back end every now and then we've been making a lot of mistakes in our lives. In some negative. Obi plaka kwa sa mewu, obi plaka kra hey mewu, bibi ka kra hey mewu, asam hey. Ochina enti enne ewu wo basa eniema enkoye sometimes ne ka obi just asam biya wonim se enye no me dofo menye menka. Even say ya bi kra na how grandpa be positive. O say ye. Oh, it is well with me. See the possibilities beyond the problems that you are going through. Adie bi kura wo say ya de we die. Wa wo hu do wani utimi wo hu pe face adie we de ba me nya de bi ko yi. But you know, see the possibility of it. Hu bi papa bi free. Afenso mama kai wo. You cannot please everyone on this earth. What did they make? If you said we untumi ma obia nta wasa untumi ma obia ne nje untumi please obia especially on high and from you can please everybody because dia wo beye bia na ye beka me se me on my am nko an free me am pese me boye din dia bia wo beye bia wo beye obi manaka bi pon bi e dia fam na me se wonya hwe na nkasa mpo yakopon ne bokra wo dia bo keke no kra mpo obia ya bibika e dia fam wasa wo ye kokko a ye beka ho asem wo ye nipatuntum a ye beka ho asem se wo ye tietie a ye beka ho asem wo ye tenten a ye beka ho asem wo kasa bebre a me sister ye beka wo nkasa bebre nso a wo ye dindin nso a no so ye beka wo penamfosem a ye beka wo penamfosem nso a ye beka wo pe life a sister me ye beka wo pe life nso a eno so tell ya no eni e na so me si no ye kura si eno onim dressing e na fa ko si he wo nya sika kakra bia wa nya eliminate a wo ye occult wa nya occult nso a wo ye sakawa wuni sika nso a wuhie ni ye fa plans kura ye mfrɛ just say imbu kura se wo ye nipa kura mpo ati bia obeye wasase su biara ye beka and forget about them, forget about what they are saying. Forget about how people see you. Forget about what they are saying about you. Forget about them and think about your own self. See positive in yourself. Be yourself. Trust in yourself. Look good for yourself. Be happy. Do what makes you happy, my dear. So what ya dear? No, never more near dear. Made off jet now want to what it. And yes, so we dear when dear we mean check. And to do what makes you happy. There are 3 people you have to consider when doing something. Do something. If you are doing something, consider first that what you are doing will not bring any problem between you and your God. That is number 1. It will not bring problem between you, your husband, or your wife. It will not bring problem between you and your parents, if you're still living with your parents. And it will not bring problem between you and your kids. If all these people, if these 4 people are okay with whatever that you are doing, my darling, do it and enjoy yourself. Do what makes you happy. Enjoy whatever you think makes you happy, because that will make you live long. Forget about what people will say. Forget about them. They don't even know what they are saying. You think you are perfect. God spells it out to all of us that no one is perfect. So if you think you have mastered in speaking negative about people, seeing negative things about people, all the time criticizing people, all the time pointing negative fingers at people, all the time judging people, if you think you are like that, change your lifestyle, because it will not help you. The Bible says don't judge so that you will not be judged. Men not real. The other 4 are pointing at you. Just say all the time speaking negative about people. Say obi bra say o fidano manim bre say no pony a why ntina or bre. The pony be a wedding tina or bre. Why na catch? Who told you? Are you God? How did you get to know? Nyankopon say yema obi biara mom nyini ne twabre ndu so be twale dem. And to stop pointing fingers at people. Say we dey wonye, we nye. So for we dey ro na ya so. We nsu krambo dey wonye. We nsu nisika na esika dro. We nsu akwaje edro. We nsu what say. Oba we nsu ban ni suban nye nti na onya be ma bia nware no. Oba we ni ho nye fe nti na onya be ma bia ma nware no. Be ma we onisika onyo bia we ni be ma fon pa nti na onya obi ma nware no. Oba ma we oni suban nti na onya oba e ma nware no. Ye njai say ye keke kan kofo ho nsam bone. Ni kan sempa emfa ma afofro. Na wo kan sempa ma afofro. In sempa na be ba wo so. I don't like speaking negative about people, even if the person is doing something negative. If you have watched my previous video that says the secret behind what we are going through, if you say something good about people, people will also say good things about you. But if you keep on pointing negative fingers, speaking negative things about people, seeing negative things in people all the time, others will also see negative things about you and speak negative things about you and think negative about you. So please, my dear, let us all be positive. Do what makes us happy. Let us be ourselves. Let us enjoy ourselves and forget about those who are full of negative. Negative words na aya mu use e push ni pa away mu use e bu ni pa bamu. Obema bi wo chira do kakra na be ma no oban na wo use words bi say me de wa gogo wa de den ya ma be wa ha menu na na betimi akọ wa de na be wa yo man na me de pe oba bi tina. So oban so no so odi do kakra o chira odo die kakra de chira ni kunu be ma no so use negative words on the woman saying ukra wo so po umbu se wa ba brewa na me de we de wo ye nya ye enkwala na ye na forget those words are negative words. And Shenkura, and Shenipem Kura, and Kenya Nipa, one Kenya partner. If you see if you hear the Obama any general, then I'm sweating general, and we're answering each one. Yes, so many G, now you're phones when G, and I'm saying we are all trying to learn new things to activate our relationships, to make our relationships work. So if you see your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your fiancé, your wife or your husband practicing something new that you think is good, please don't be negative. Don't criticize it. Men buna bonfia, men buna nemtia, men kasam poni bi mfamfa. Now so na die na we have self-confidence. Men shed you be yet na mo abem ebu. What mean? O maya me free money di. Se woni bia ebu abonfia. Woni bia enkan won kan ni pa ho. Yemfa won yefie. Obi kura bi se obi bi na wanya bia manas. 2 negative things come into the person's mind. Number 1, either you have it and you don't want to give, as in you are stingy. Utri mo den. Pesa obi na pesa wo de be ni pa kro. And then number 2, woni bi. Nti ni na woni bi no oso eni mfaso. Enwo yempo se ye no ye free kura. Nti obi bi se obi na wanya manape no ono ayaka. Na wo Nyankopon ohwakunu ohwe eniwa. Nti se woni bi ene Nyankopon nim se woni bi na se wanya bia mani pakoro ni pakoro se wonte no ho asinti wono be yaka ni pakoro se obeke kan ho nsambone enam se woni bi ni nti no ye bebu abonfia enam se woni bi ni nti no ye meeting pa ye mfa won kan because you don't have, you can't even contribute into, ye mfa won kan ho. My dear, don't worry. forget them. What? Forget one. Never opera. Never winning. Obi be a we be a would GD any positivity. Eddie Belmont. I dear be a we hear was a sisu biara. When you go on the mouth. See yourself strong. See yourself powerful. See yourself rich. See yourself a good man. See yourself a good woman. See yourself the best. See yourself victorious. See yourself higher. See yourself the head and not the tail. See yourself healed. See yourself strong. See yourself better and better and better all the time. See yourself having it. And truly, you will have it in no time. So what can someone and check a bum? Only my body and check a bum. Samson catches it. So only my pa and check a bum. Okay, some pa and check a bum. What brother open a bear would take if you be dead. With us say, so really bringing out your home street. My name is Nefia Charlotte. If you call me Tiasi Forba, I will gladly respond. Thanks so much for watching. And please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will always be the first to know whenever I upload a video.